Yo, what's up? This your boy, Sir Maestro, here at this courthouse getting ready for my prelim. Y'all wonder what's going on with the case. I'm going to give y'all all the information at a link this evening on Facebook and on YouTube. But they're trying to charge me with extortion, felony extortion, which was not the case. There's a lawyer I'm looking to retain now that has seen all the information that could prove that it was never extortion. I was presented with a situation. They presented me with a contract, they presented me with a check, and then they tried to flip the script. According to all the legal people I've talked to, it's entrapment, straight up and down entrapment. I ain't extorted nobody. It was, and the information is sensitive. It's a high-profile case. Some things are signed over into my possession. These things that were signed over, then the rights to them involve Jeff Conway, who played Kenike on Grease, John Travolta, Barry Diller, Michael Eisner, a lot of big people, James Brooks. These documents confirm certain individuals, in fact, being gay in the closet and a whole bunch of other stuff. And I'm going to release the whole tell-all this evening, if not sooner. So stay tuned for all the information. Yes, I'm fighting this to the full because, again, it was never that. And as a lawyer told me, it's not against the law to take hush money if somebody offer it, and that's literally what happened. I was offered a check and was offered a contract. I never received the check. They took the check with the contract and said they needed to make a copy, and then DA investigators come in and arrest me, trying to charge me with extortion. But all the evidence, all the emails, everything shows it was never extortion. We were in business discussions. They made a choice. They made me an offer. I accepted it and thought I was going to pick up that offer when they tried to flip the script. So I'm definitely fighting this. The lawyers still have the copy of the contract, which is why I want this other lawyer on board to go ahead and have that subpoena, which will exonerate me of all charges. There's a GoFundMe link going up today as well, because this lawyer is not cheap, and I don't need a public defender right now. I need a high-profile lawyer for a high-profile case. He's working a deal for me, so I'm looking at raising $7,500 like yesterday, and then another $7,500 within a month's time for a total of $15,000 that will retain him in. But that first $7,500, while I have some of it, I'm looking to put together the rest ASAP. I'm hoping to get a continuance on my preliminary this morning to give me time to lock him in. So everybody that will be interested in helping out with the fight, there will be a GoFundMe link up shortly. Again, it's Sir Maestro, Gladiator ENT. And yeah, I'm fighting this thing. I ain't extorted nobody. They even looked at my criminal record and saw I really don't even have one outside of traffic stuff. So I'm not going to let them screw me over. They've been trying to screw with me for the longest. Ever since I became a community activist and helped out in the Coachella Valley situation, it's always been them trying to pin something on me. And they thought they had me this time. But to all those that really know me, y'all know I ain't extorted nobody. I'm a businessman, and if you present me a check, a legal check, and present me a legal contract for the check, and I do what you ask me. You ask me to delete certain stuff and all that. I do all this, and you still try to set me up and entrap me. I can't. No. If I did a crime, I would do the time, but I did no crime. They trying to set me up, and I'm asking for all y'all to support me. I'm doing a whole tell-all today also, showing the evidence that I have of these things on these different individuals and why they're trying to lock me away and hush me up, because this is stuff that are like totally like put people out there on blast, tear down careers, and some more stuff. So stay tuned today, and I'll be back on here shortly.